It's pickling season. Today, let's learn how to make your own pickling spice. Save yourself some money.
Good morning. Today's topic is pickling spice, and I'm going to give you a recipe for making your own homemade pickling spice. And you need to store it in something airtight like this. I had bought some from the store, so I stuck the label on the bottom so I'd remember what was in the jar. I'm getting some fancy labels made, thanks Rebecca, but I don't have pickling spice yet. So if you want more than just that little tiny bottle they give you at the store for $6, go to the Amish grocery, buy your spices individually, and use this recipe to make a big batch like this, and then you'll have enough for the whole pickling season. So here goes. I'm going to do it one by one for you.
2 tablespoons whole mustard seed. 2 to 3 teaspoons whole coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon whole allspice berries. If you like it a little spicy, add 1 or more teaspoons of red pepper flakes according to taste. 1 teaspoon ground ginger. 2 nice sized bay leaves, crumbled. 6 whole cloves. 2 inches of cinnamon stick, broken into smaller pieces.
And if you like today's video and you like the series I'm doing on canning, please don't forget to subscribe. It costs nothing and it really helps me out. Thank you and have a great day.
Stick around, the best is yet to be. Follow us on Facebook, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe.